Today is the A to Z dentistry. Today we're talking about yellow teeth. So what is yellow teeth? How to prevent it? Since I believe in prevention is better than cure. So this video is for educational purposes. It is not intended to be a substitute for professional dental advice, treatment, and diagnosis. Always seek the advice of your dentist or other health professionals regarding your condition. The statements made throughout this video are not to be relied on for diagnosis, treatment, or prevention, including any suggestions made. Thank you. So, what are the project goals for today? To understand yellow teeth, how knowledge can help, and importance of prevention. So the discussion is about yellow teeth. So what is yellow teeth? So if you look at your teeth, the outer layer is the enamel, and beneath the enamel is the dentine. And then from the dentine, we have the pulp. Now, children's teeth are whiter than adults because adults have got more dentine. So in that case, some people's teeth may appear yellow because of the amount of dentine underneath the enamel. Other things that can cause yellow teeth are: one, eating dark berries. For example, any form of berries, because most of these berries have got their own staining qualities, and this can sort of stain the teeth and make it look yellow. Another one is wine. Something like red wine can make your teeth yellow. Eating certain food can make your teeth yellow. Fizzy drinks, smoking, trauma. There are times people have a fall or have had trauma to their teeth. After some time, the tooth starts discoloring and becomes yellow. Aging can also cause it. Another reason could be poor oral hygiene. Maybe there's a lot of buildup. And medication, for example, tetracycline can stain the teeth. Or there could be fluorosis if there's an area that there's a lot of fluoride. It can affect the teeth and give it that sort of color. As I said earlier on, yellow teeth is due to different factors. The first one could be that you've got more dentine underneath your enamel. That is why kids' teeth are much whiter than adult teeth. And I've also mentioned poor oral hygiene. I've mentioned smoking, dietary, medicines like tetracycline, in an area with high fluoride, fluorosis, dark berries, eating dark berries, trauma. Some people, as they get older, their teeth start get stained. So how can you prevent it? Prevention is better than cure. You can prevent it by brushing twice a day, visiting the hygienist and dentist regularly, flossing. Some people may decide to have teeth whitening, but it's best to get to the underlying problem to find out why the teeth is showing like that. As you age, as things break down, it can show as such, and also trauma. So if, for example, you hit your tooth, after some time, the tooth may start getting discolored, and some people may decide to whiten it, or they may restore it. Or at times, certain fillings, if a filling has been in a tooth over a long period of time, it can sort of stain the teeth. Certain food that we eat can sort of stain the teeth, so we have to be very careful. All those are very important. The result is a brighter smile. You have a confident smile if you are able to practice prevention, limiting sweet to meal times. You can download the NHS Food Scanner App, practicing good oral hygiene, visiting the dentist and the hygienist regularly for cleaning. That is very, very important. Taking good care of your teeth, flossing, and things like that. The conclusion is share the knowledge and please subscribe for more updates. See you in the next video. Thank you for staying from beginning till end to listen to this. This is very important. Thank you.